सी। ओके किड्स, हम लोगों ने इंग्लिश में अल्फाबेट्स, कैपिटल अल्फाबेट्स हम लोगों ने पढ़े हैं ना। अभी तो आप लोगों को पता चल गया कि हाउ टू राइट कैपिटल अल्फाबेट्स, है ना किड्स। तो अभी हम स्मॉल अल्फाबेट्स आइडेंटिफाई करना सीखेंगे। ओके ना किड्स, कि स्मॉल अल्फाबेट कौन से होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Okay kids, what do you see in the chart? Right, these are alphabet. Okay, अभी हमने कैपिटल अल्फाबेट्स तो सारे सीख लिए ना, तो आज हम स्मॉल अल्फाबेट आइडेंटिफाई करना सीखेंगे। ओके, चलो। Which alphabet is this? Letter A. This is capital letter A, and this is small letter A. This is capital letter A and this is small letter A. हम इसे ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं, this is mama letter A and this is baby letter A. Okay kids? चलो, next letter is B. This is capital letter B. This is small letter B. This is mama letter B and this is baby letter B. B is for ball. Next letter is C. This is capital C and this is small c. This is mama letter C and this is baby letter C. C is for cat. Next, letter D. This is capital D. This is small d. This is mama letter D and this is baby letter D. D is for dog. Next is E. This is capital E and this is small e. This is mama letter E and this is baby letter E. E is for elephant. Next letter is F. This is capital F and this is small f. This is mama letter F and this is baby letter F. F is for fish. Next, G. This is capital G. This is small g. This is mama letter G and this is baby letter G. G is for grapes. Which letter is this? H. This is capital H. This is small h. This is mama letter H and this is baby letter H. H is for hat. Next, I. This is capital I. This is small I. This is mama letter I and this is baby letter I. I is for ice cream. You like ice cream na? Yes. Next, J. This is capital J. This is small j. This is mama letter J and this is baby letter J. J is for joker. Next letter is K. This is capital K and this is small k. This is mama letter K and this is baby letter K. K is for kite. Next, L. This is capital L and this is small l. This is mama letter L and this is baby letter L. L is for lion. Next, M. This is capital M and this is small m. This is mama letter M and this is baby letter M. M is for mango. Next, N. This is capital N and this is small n. This is mama letter N. This is baby letter N. N is for nose. Next, O. This is capital O and this is small o. This is capital O, mama letter O. This is baby letter O. O is for orange. Next letter, P. This is capital P. This is small p. This is mama letter P and this is baby letter P. And P is for parrot. Next, Q. This is capital Q and this is small q. This is mama letter Q and this is baby letter Q. Q is for queen. Next, R. This is capital R and this is small r. This is mama letter R and this is baby letter R. And R is for rabbit. Next, S. This is capital S and this is small s. This is mama letter S and this is baby letter S. S is for sun. Next letter T. This is capital T and this is small t. This is mama letter T and this is baby letter T. And T is for tiger. Next letter U. This is capital U and this is small u. This is mama letter U and this is baby letter U. U is for umbrella. Next letter V. This is capital V and this is small v. This is mama letter V and this is baby letter V. V is for van. Next W. This is capital W and this is small w. This is mama letter W and this is baby letter W. W is for watch. Next X. This is capital X and this is small x. This is mama letter X and this is baby letter X. X is for X-ray. Next Y. This is capital Y and this is small y. This is mama letter Y and this is baby letter Y. And Y is for yacht. And last one is Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. This is mama letter Z and this is baby letter Z. And Z is for zebra. Okay kids, let's repeat with me small letters with phonic sound. Which letter is this? A. A is for apple. Apple. Next B. B is for bed. Bed. Next C. C is for cat. 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 Next D. D is for dog. Dog. Next letter is E. E is for egg. Egg. Next letter is F. F is for fish. 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 Next letter is G. G is for girl. G is for girl. 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 H. H is for hat. 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 I is for igloo. I is for igloo. 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 J is for jam. J is for jam. 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 K. K is for kite. K is for kite. 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 L is for lion. L is for lion. 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 M is for monkey. M is for monkey. 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 N is for nose. N is for nose. 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 O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. 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 P is for panda. P is for panda. 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 Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Quack, quack, queen. Quack, quack, queen. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. 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 S is for snake. S is for snake. 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 T is for table. T is for table. 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 U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. 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 V is for van. V is for van. 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 W is for watch. W is for watch. 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 X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y is for yacht. Y is for yacht. 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 Last, Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. 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 Okay kids, you have to recognize all these letter daily. आपको ये letter daily recognize करने हैं. Okay kids? Bye bye kids.